So today vlog is all about the accessories part 2 and today accessories section would be rings and watches. So it's going to be very interesting and I hope you like my video and stay tuned till then. So now we'll start off with the rings. I'll show you the rings. So I have with me the ring box. Exactly. This is my ring box for them. So I keep all the rings in this and it's really safe. So I had purchased this accessory box from online thing, like I think from Flipkart or Amazon, I don't remember exactly. But it's really nice and comforting and it's really, you can see it's really placed really well, like, so you can take this off and just wear it. And yeah, so first I will start with this. So this ring was my wedding. At the time of the wedding, I had wore this because it was suiting and it was really relative to my outfit. So it looked really nice and it's very special to me as I had wore on my wedding day. So it's you can see it. It's really nice. And it's a kind of a pearl in between, and it's a stone in between, not exactly pearl but stone in between, and it's peach of shade like kind of, and kundan work has been done like apart from that. And yeah, it's really nice. So you can wear this on your traditional outfits like from online or something. It would look really nice and it's suiting. And the next I would say this ring. I hope so this is my Sangeet ring. So I really like the ring. The second one, it's really nice. I hope you. Yeah, it's really nice. And I had my outfit like kind of a blue shade, so I thought this would really look nice. And I had silver work, so I had wore this, and it really looked nice. And it was like one of the best rings. I love this ring, and yeah, it was really nice. It was suiting on me and matching, twinning, yeah, kind of. And now I'm going to show you. I will just keep this in. So I'll show you this. I hope you're able to see it. Yes. So this is mother pearl ring, and I had purchased it from Bandra, Santa Cruz. So yeah, it is really nice. And I like to wear this on Western as well as Indo-Western or something, or else Indian or something. Not exactly Western, but Indo-Western kind of, and traditional. It looks really nice and it's like just perfect. I really like the flowers. It has been put up and you can see it. And it's really nice. And the next ring is this ring. It's a kind of blue shade, and silver work and flower work is done, and it's really nice. And I had wore this on my Godhana day, and it's suiting me. And it was kind of, I just wanted to go on that like a contrast shade. I had my pink outfits, I wanted to get into some contrast, so I had taken this blue because my ornaments were also like that. My accessories, necklace and everything, I had wore like a contrast, like a blue shade. So I had taken this blue, and this can be, you can wear it on like Indian lehenga or something. It looks really nice because it's like this kind of flower work is there. So it's, yeah, I can wear it anywhere. Like I can wear it contrast, I can wear it twinning shades or something. I can do it as well. So this is my one of the favorite. I haven't wear it yet till anywhere in any of the outfits or something. I haven't tried it right now. So yeah, it is like the work is really nice, and you can wear it mostly on like some outfits like shades of ochre yellow or somewhere like gold shades or something. If you have in shades of that, you can wear it on that outfits. This you can wear it, and yeah, it's really nice. Work, you can see it's really lovely work. It's like moti work is there, so you can wear it. And apart from there, if you have this, you can wear the moti necklace or something. We have dolls and everything. You can wear it like that. So yeah, so this is the thing. And this is my normal ring, and this is again the flower work in between. And normally you can wear it like in the western outfits or something like that. So yes, so this is done my ring section is done, and I hope you like my collections, and comment below which ring collection you like the most. So now we'll head up to the watches section, the watch collection of the good. I'm really excited to show you guys how I keep my things covered and everything. So here we have the watch pouch. I have purchased it, and it's really nice. My mom have given me actually. So yeah, it's a gift from my mom. So yeah, so this is how I put all my watches like this. It's really safe and perfect, and it doesn't the color is not faded yet because it's just being one year exactly. It's going to be 1 year in the next 2 months. So yeah, so first I like to show this. Actually the whole the watch, I wear it in all occasions. It's nothing that I wear it in Western or Indian. I have wore it in all section. So exactly, this logs watch, and you can see the belt is really nice. It's golden color, so you can wear in Western outfits as well as Indian outfits. And yeah, the belt I really like it, and it's stainless steel, and logs L 1712 the number is, and it's water resistant, and stainless steel back is also there. You can see it. It's really nice, and I will show you guys how do I wear this watches like this. I won't show you the whole, but yeah, kind of. I hope you like it. And this watches, I really like this watch. It's a Timiho watch, and it's really quartz watch, and it's really nice. It's stainless steel back is there, and it's not water resistant. So yeah, so it's kind of, but I feel this is a very old watch, but I really liked it. A lot of memories are there with this watch, so I really liked it. So I have taken it from my mom. Yeah. So you can wear this in all outfits, and you can wear it on all occasions and nothing like that. But mostly I wear it on in Western kind of. But you can wear it in Indian as well. If you have something related to off-white or gold or something related to that, you can definitely wear that. And I'm going to show you this. So this is it's a very special watch to me. So it's like my in-laws have gifted me on the Haldi day. They have given me the gift, and it's really lovely. And it's watch from US Polo Assassinations, and it's really nice. It's pink. They do know that I really like pink shades, and so yes. And I have mostly wear in both occasions, like in Indian attire and in Western attire. So it looks really pretty, and color is superb. And And this is the gold watch again from Versace, and yeah, it's really nice, and you can see it that it's really nice. It's really nice, and I have worn Western as well as Indian. I won't repeat that again and again, but yeah, I have. This is watch again from DNK, and it's really nice, and it's gold and water resistance, and DNK 1341, and stainless steel back waterproof. It's already there, I have told you before, and yeah, it's golden shade, and so you can wear it mostly on all outfits, like contrast or something, twinning or something on the go. So I have lots of in the circle shape, so I have taken it from like as a square shape. So it's a Rolex watch, and Celine, and and Swiss watches there, yes, and Rolex number 9497 the number is, and it's stainless back, and water resistance is there. So yeah, so you don't need to worry about it, it's like waterproof. So it's really nice, you can see it, yeah, it's really nice. It's I really like it. It's something new which I really don't wear. I always wear the shape of the circle or something. I don't know what is the reason behind it, because I don't know. Whenever I turned up to like some watch, it turns out to be the circle shape as well. Like, I can't help it. I'm really obsessed with the shape or something. So yeah, this is you had seen in a lot of vlogs, and this is one of the favorite because I really like, because this is universal and all, like you can try it out, and it's really nice, and it looks really perfect in all outfits actually, and it's universal color, so it suits and all, like, yeah, so you can see it. It's nice, it's really nice. And okay, yeah, sorry, this I need to say that this is stainless steel back is there, and it's from Imperio Armani. I'm sorry, I didn't said you before, because as it was on blogs, I forgot to share it with you guys, but yeah, I would share. It's Armani, and it's not, the number is not given. Yeah, it's given AR 11206, it's there, if I am not wrong, because it's not yet clear. AR 11206, yeah, it's clear now. Imperio Armani. I had, I think, purchased it from In Orbit or somewhere, I don't remember. Oh yeah, In Orbit, yeah, I had purchased Armani. So this is once again the Logs watch. I really liked it, and it's like silver shade, silver shades is there, and gray, and it's stainless steel back, water resistance, and really nice. I really liked it, and number is L1709. It's really nice. See, you can and it's perfect. So I would say from all these watches, I really love the most is, I love all watches, but I'm not discriminating in anything, but because all memories are there in this watches, I really liked it, and I would say the best I really like the most is this watch, pink watch. I really like, because not just because not just for the color or something, but I really like the dialogue, and I'm very much, I prefer US Polo a lot, and this watch is really nice. I really liked it, and this is the watch, you can see, and it's really nice, and I hope you like this. I hope you comment on the section which is your favorite watch, and in the ring section, my just my favorite would be this the mother ring. I really like it because it's suitable in all the outfits or something. I can wear it, whether it's silver, gold, or something. I can wear it all contrast, and yeah. And it's really lovely that I have shared my whole collection with you, and I hope you like it. I hope you like my video, this video which I have, and I hope my ring collection influences you, and you also collect some good watches and share with me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank
Bye,
you
guys.
for watching my video. See you there. Bye.